The installation guidance of general overhead cranes. It is very important and necessary to know about the installation of general overhead cranes. During this video, Dejun Cranes will introduce the installation of each part of general overhead cranes. Usually, it contains the assembly of the following series of parts. End beam connection plate installation. Bridge frame assembly. Walkway railing assembly. Conductive stand installation. Connecting pipe of conductive stand installation. Conductive slide I-beam installation. End beam railing installation. Crane drive shaft guard installation. Crane track cleaner installation. Crane bumper installation. Crane buffer extension rod and buffer installation. Drive side steering platform installation. Lighting lamp installation of bridge frame. Crane travel switch installation. End beam railing door limit installation. Trolley limiter and base installation. Resistor and electrical cabinet installation. Fixed installation of cable pulley. Festoon cable installation. Cable pulley traction wire rope fixed installation. Transformer installation. Trolley bumper installation. Block hook rack installation. Overhaul cage installation. Cab installation. Cab platform and ladder installation. Trolley installation. Trolley conductive bracket and drawbar installation. Crane conductive bracket installation. Adjust the trolley limiter installation. The wiring of the terminal box of the crane, arranged in an orderly manner according to the distribution of the wire number. The terminal box of the crane is pasted with warning signs. Transformer wiring, arranged in an orderly manner according to the distribution of wire numbers. The wiring of resistors and electrical cabinets, arranged in an orderly manner according to the distribution of wire numbers.